snowstorm. Yesterday is not like this, but today is the snowstorm. Look, snow trees, snow path. It's very deep snow. It's about 1 meter depth. It's beautiful, and it's still raining since this morning until now. So this is my first time to experience the snowstorm in Japan. It's quite interesting actually. Snow is pure white. I love it. I touch it with my hand, look. Today is February 8, 2014, Saturday. It's been snowing since this morning until now. So this is snowstorm in Japan. I hope you enjoy my video. Now I'm going to my apartment. It's around 9 p.m. PM, sorry, in the night, and it's still snowing. Amazing. I wonder if I can create a snowman here.